Welcome back, XRP community. We have breaking updates that could significantly shift the future for Ripple and XRP. Today, we'll cover major developments involving Uphold and Robinhood, both key players in Ripple's payment corridor ecosystem. These updates come right after Ripple officially dropped its cross-appeal in the ongoing lawsuit with the SEC. Uphold's response has caught the attention of many, signaling a possible strategic alignment with Ripple's next big move. Meanwhile, Robinhood, which recently acquired Bitstamp, prepares for important crypto announcements, strengthening its role as an XRP payment corridor. Let's break it all down. As of today, XRP remains stagnant at $2.18. The broader crypto market continues in a phase of consolidation. Bitcoin trades around $107,440 with minimal recovery, while Ethereum holds steady at $2,430. Altcoins like XLM and HBR are also showing little momentum. There's no clear uptrend or downtrend, just a flat market waiting for a catalyst. This accumulation phase could precede a sharp move, especially with macroeconomic data on the horizon. This week will be crucial. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is scheduled to speak on Tuesday. Any hint toward interest rate cuts could ignite bullish momentum across financial markets. We'll also get key U.S. data points, including the ISM manufacturing PMI, JOLTS job openings, ADP employment numbers, and the June jobs report. The markets may be closed Friday for the July 4th holiday, but from Tuesday to Thursday, we're expecting heavy volatility. Every Powell comment could move the crypto needle, particularly for XRP and other ISO 20022 compliant tokens. Now, turning to Robinhood. On Monday, June 30th, the platform is expected to release a major crypto-related announcement. It's worth noting that Robinhood recently acquired Bitstamp, one of Ripple's confirmed XRP payment corridors. This move cements Robinhood's increasing exposure to the RippleNet ecosystem. The crypto community will be watching closely to see if the announcement involves XRP listings, tokenized assets, or further integration into Ripple's cross-border infrastructure. Meanwhile, Uphold, another XRP partner and payment corridor, has made headlines by reacting to Ripple's dropped appeal with a cryptic message: "Lock it." The post implies holding XRP tightly, aligning with the idea of accumulation and long-term confidence. Uphold serves as a strategic Ripple payment corridor in the U.S., connecting domestic markets with the rest of the world. The fact that Uphold is signaling strong support during Ripple's ongoing legal battle indicates their long-term commitment to XRP's utility. Despite the lawsuit still being active, Ripple is expanding in the U.S. rather than retreating. This bold move suggests Ripple intends to gain significant market share within the American financial system. Further validation comes from ETF insiders. Nate Geraci, president of the ETF store, stated that Ripple's legal progress now paves the way for a spot XRP ETF and may even clear the path for BlackRock to get involved. This is not just speculation. With the legal dust beginning to settle and major institutions watching closely, we could see real movement toward institutional-grade XRP investment products. Let's also discuss Uphold's potential valuation. The platform is reportedly valued at $1.5 billion for its upcoming IPO. That valuation could position it as a strategic acquisition target. There are whispers about Ripple possibly acquiring Uphold to strengthen its payment network and infrastructure. Although no confirmation exists yet, the logic makes sense. Ripple could expand its corridor dominance with a licensed, fully compliant exchange like Uphold already operating across global markets. Moreover, tokenized ETFs are now a reality. Gemini just announced that tokenized ETFs will soon launch on their platform. This brings us closer to a world where financial instruments, like Ripple's IPO shares or even XRP itself, are tokenized and traded in real time. The digitization of real-world assets is advancing faster than most realize. Only a handful of blockchain projects are actually building this new infrastructure, and Ripple is one of the clear leaders. As these systems roll out, we move toward a modern financial era driven by on-chain assets and borderless value transfer. Few understand the magnitude of what's unfolding. Payment systems, tokenized real-world assets, decentralized finance, and regulated infrastructure are converging. Ripple is right at the center. If you're holding XRP, you're not just holding a cryptocurrency. You're holding a piece of a future financial operating system. So, while the price remains flat today, don't let the silence fool you. Major players are moving behind the scenes. Announcements from Robinhood, messages from Uphold, ETF signals from institutional voices, and the steady push toward tokenization all point in one direction. XRP is quietly preparing for its next leap. The next phase is coming. Stay sharp.